Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 20 Pro, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also get rid of a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So I'm going to quickly lock the device, and you can see I do have a pattern, and I'll progress from here as though I don't know my pattern. So number one, let's turn off the device. Once the phone is off, you want to hold power key and volume up together. So let's do that right now. And when you see the TCL logo, let go of the power key. And then when you see the recovery mode, you can let go of the volume up as well. And in here, you will need to use volume keys to navigate, as you can see, in order to select wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it with power key. Then select factory data reset, again confirm that. At the bottom you should see data wipe complete as the last entry, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So confirm that with power key once more, and this will initiate a reboot, and also it will continue the process in the background. So give it about a minute or so for it to finish up, and once it has, you should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.